Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your Windows 11 login problems. So let's say you are facing problems with the login of your Windows 11 operating system even though you know the correct password of your Windows 11 operating system. So this method is going to work if you already know your Windows 11 password, right? So I'm assuming that you already know the correct Windows 11 password and you are not able to log into your Windows 11 operating system even though you already are entering the correct password here, right? So let's see how we can solve this problem. So for this, what you need to do here is you need to press the shift key on your keyboard. So just press the shift key on your keyboard and then click on this power button. So press the shift key and then click on power button and then click on the restart button. So once you click on the restart button, you will be able to see this kind of window where you can choose from these options. You need to choose the troubleshoot option. So just click on troubleshoot and then click on advanced options. Now at this point you need to choose startup settings option. So just click on startup settings and then here you will be able to see all these options. Here you just need to click on restart. Now you will see this option. Now here you can press the keys F1 to F9 to select the options from this list. So at this point we need to choose the number 5 option, which is enable safe mode with networking. So I'm going to press F5 key on my Windows 11 operating system. So just press F5 key on Windows 11 operating system. And now what this option is going to do is it's going to start your Windows 11 operating system in the safe mode with networking, right? So once again you will see the login option. So just provide the password which you remember and which has to be correct. So at this point I'm going to provide my password and I know that this password is correct and I'm going to press enter. And now at this point you will be able to see this kind of window. Now here, as you can see, we have started our Windows 11 operating system in the safe mode. So the desktop background will be black. This means it's started in the safe mode and you will be able to see on all the 4 corners this safe mode option. And from this you know that your computer has been started in the safe mode, right? So once you see this window, this means that your password is working and you just need to restart your computer now. So you just need to click on the Windows icon and then click on the restart option here, which is going to restart your Windows 11 operating system. So now my computer is restarted, so I can just try my password once again and then press enter. And this time hopefully you will be successfully logged in to your Windows 11 operating system. So try this option and hopefully it's going to work in your case also, because it worked for me. And I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.